a robot that truly looks human and does human-like tasks. Neo is a humanoid robot designed to handle tasks in both industrial and domestic environments. In fact, we're talking about a robot that can assist not only in factories or warehouses, but also at home, helping with those chores you never want to do. Imagine laundry, or even assisting people with disabilities in managing their daily lives. And this isn't just a theoretical concept. 1X is already working to bring all of this to homes next year. Yes, next year. 1X Technologies isn't new to the world of robotics. Since 2014, they've been working on robots like Eve, which already featured a wheel-based movement system and gripper hands. But now, with Neo, they are aiming for a more advanced humanoid form, capable of walking and interacting with the physical world just like a human. The CEO of 1X, Bernd, said he always knew since he was a child that he would build robots, and today he's fulfilling that dream. A dream that stands 5 feet 4 inches tall and weighs just 66 pounds. So, what makes Neo so special and different from other robots? Well, first of all, it's not just a rigid, heavy machine like the ones we see in factories. Instead, Neo is inspired by human muscle structure. It uses a tendon-based system that makes it much more compliant, meaning it's flexible and safe when interacting with its environment. This means it can accidentally bump into an object without causing any damage, especially considering how lightweight it is. It could walk right among us without posing any danger. Plus, it can carry loads up to 44 pounds, its batteries last between 2 and 4 hours, and it can walk at speeds of 2.5 miles per hour and run at 7.5 miles per hour. In terms of artificial intelligence, Neo doesn't just move, it continuously learns from its environment and the people it interacts with. It's designed to gather information and improve over time. It's kind of like a personal assistant that gets better the more you use it. Bernd also explained a system that allows Neo to be deactivated remotely, though there are ongoing discussions about whether a shutdown feature directly on the robot itself might offer even better security. 1X is developing Neo for complex tasks like logistics and security, but the ultimate goal is to make it useful, especially in homes. One of the most interesting things is that, according to 1X, the cost will be similar to that of an affordable car, not a luxury one. So, we're not just talking about robots that you'll see in big companies, but something that could genuinely be within everyone's reach. There's an interesting parallel between Neo's development and the evolution of AI models like ChatGPT. The key to creating a truly intelligent robot is allowing it to experience a wide variety of real-world situations. Neo will be able to gather data from its home experiences and use that to continuously improve, making it more efficient and capable of handling an impressive range of tasks over time. And this is just the beginning. By 2027, 1X predicts that these robots will not only be in homes, but also in environments like warehouses and industries, driving real global change. Imagine having a robotic assistant helping with household chores or doing factory or warehouse work instead of humans. In short, the future is here, and it's called Neo. It has no fear of competing with giants like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, Unitree, and others that have been on the market for some time now. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of Neo and if you'd like to have a robot like this in your home. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on the latest news from the world of artificial intelligence.